In this video, I'm going over the exact Fibonacci strategy Mamba FX uses when it trades. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit secret technique to actually add some confluences to your trading strategy, to this Fibonacci Mamba FX trading strategy, to actually help you get a little bit of a higher winning percentage. So you can go from, if it's a 50% win rate, you can actually go from a 50 to a 55 or even 60% win rate with just this little trick and secret I'm going to show you guys in this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out what that secret is. Let's get started, guys. In one of his videos, he actually mentioned that trading the Fibonacci retracement tool can actually change the way you trade. So I want to know if that's actually true, so let's go over this together. So guys, stick around to the end of this video because I really think this could be the holy grail, which I don't think that even exists, but let's just assume it exists and let's see if this could be the Forex holy grail that we have been actually looking for all our life. Yeah. So before we start this video, guys, I want you guys to click the like button, click subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let's grow this channel, guys. My goal for this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2020, and I hope we can make that happen. So it won't happen if you guys don't share, if you guys don't subscribe. And so when you subscribe, you click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. If this video gets 20 likes, I will make a new video fully explaining in depth on how to trade with the new secret strategy I will show you at the end of this video. So guys, stay tuned and let's make this video hit 20 likes so I can make that video for you guys. So let's get started. So guys, according to what Mamba FX was actually talking about, he said once you see a break and retest of structure, and then you have to pull out your Fibonacci line and take a trade on the 50 or the 61.8 zone or level, gold zone. So guys, I'm gonna be going over that right now. So as you guys can see right here, we saw the market actually trending up. The market didn't actually come back to this point, so I saw the market actually went up, came back down to this point, and which means the market is actually retesting maybe this area right here. So I'll first of all pull up my my drawing tool, which is this box right here. So I'll assume that okay, this was a level right here. The market broke and retested, or you could even do this one. Guys, this is just what I saw in this video. I know I'm not actually getting it 100%, but this is just the logic, guys. A break and retest of structure, guys. So this was a break, no retest yet, another highs here, a break, and then we saw a retest. So we'll actually pull up our Fibonacci tool. So you come to this I don't know what it's called. What tool is this? Okay, I don't know. So we come to this area right here, the third section. Then you slide down and go to this Fibonacci retracement, or you press on your keyboard Alt F. So let's try that, guys. I want to try that. Sorry, that was a mistake, guys. So you press on Alt F and then Fibonacci is resurrected, guys. So you drag it up to this highs here, where I don't know what I'm saying right now, guys. Let me get back to you guys. So guys, what he said was you take your Fibonacci from the points where the market actually went up, and then so the market actually got to this point, then retraced down. So that should be, this highs should be our high. So we'll put it there. So we look at it, we'll look for the 51.8 zone, for the 50 or the 61.8 zone, which is I really don't know what it is, but I think it's this. Let me draw it out for you guys. So I think it should be this box right here. Let me make it golden because they like to call it the golden zone, which I don't know why, but I think it is. So you can see this is the 50 and the 61.8 zone right here. So the market came back to that point, and he said immediately the market comes back there, we take a trade. So I'm taking a trade for a buy right there. So and he said for the stops, you put your stops just below market structure, and let's see the area the market actually broke from, which is this box right here. So our stops just below, like he said, and targets just this highs again. So you can see he's actually right, man. Like this strategy actually works. But if you trade like this, then it's impossible to actually win, guys. If you trade like this, your winning and losing percentage is gonna be random. Like you're gonna have losing streaks and winning streaks with this kind of strategy. So I show you guys this win. So let's go and see some other trades. We won a 2.6 on this trade. So let's see, like we've marked out this zone here, and as you can see, the market actually came back to that point, retested it, and I'm looking to get in on the trade. So let's just draw a Fibonacci line so you guys can see that, okay, yeah, this is actually a thing. So from this point where the market pushed up, so we draw a Fibonacci line up to that point. So guys, you can see that this is the 61.8 zone. So guys, if you had taken this trade right here on the 61.8 zone, you can see this would have been a beautiful loss. You could have lost this trade beautifully, guys. So I would recommend you actually wait for the market to get closer to this point, maybe around here or touching the line, guys. So guys, if I'm going to be real with how Mamba FX trade, I'm going to take this trade actually because this was a break and the market came back to the 61.8 zone, and you can see if we had taken this trade at this point, well, the market would have crashed. I would have lost this trade, guys. Look at this huge drop. So for me, I would say Mamba FX Fibonacci is just kind of a break and retest. All right. So if you are a trader and you want to trade a break and retest, then I would say Fibonacci is kind of a break and retest, because let me take this Fibonacci out. If I come to this drawing tool and I pick this horizontal ray, and you can see that the market made this highs. So the market actually went up and retested this point. So I could have just taken a trade at random on this point. It's just like me telling you to trade a break and retest of market structure. Alright, so you just can't take trades because of the market came to the 61.8 zone or the 50 Fibonacci retracement zone, and you just say take a trade without any price action involved. Guys, if you trade like this, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna lose. Like your losing percentage, your winning percentage is gonna be random. No offense, I really love watching Mamba FX videos. He's actually a great guy, but trading like this, I assume he has better strategies. Trading like this, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, trading like this is not a good idea. Absolutely not a good idea. I'm going to be real with you guys. You have to trade with price action. Even if, yes, trading like this, Fibonacci break and retest is actually a great technical way of trading, but if you don't add price action, like at least you could have said, okay, once the market retests the 61.8 zone and you see an engulfing candlestick, then you can enter a trade. That would have been a lot better than just trading based on basic retest of a 61.8 zone. I wouldn't agree with that. I'm gonna be real, I would not agree with that. Based on my experience in trading, that is not a good way of trading, and that is not even a good advice to give to new traders, because a lot of new traders could be watching this and doing this. Mamba FX, no offense, I love your videos, but I'm not trying to make this video for people who are new. Actually, I'm not a professional, but if I trade like this, I will use price action to trade. I'm not trying to tell you guys that you guys should use price action. Fibonacci is actually a great tool, but it's more like a break and retest of structure. More like a break and retest. More like a break, yeah. More like a break and retest of structure, yeah. So if you add break and retest of structure, maybe moving averages, 2 moving average line cross, or an MACD line cross, or an engulfing candlestick, like I said, man, if you trade like this, maybe Fibonacci break and retest of a support and resistance, like support and resistance turn support, and an engulfing candlestick, guys, you could be doing a lot better. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys a little secret, alright, on how to take this trading to a new dimension, guys. You can just add in this 20 period exponential moving average line. So you only take buys when the price is above the 200 exponential moving average line. And I already gave out one of the secrets. It's actually two secrets, which is an engulfing candlestick and trading above the 200 exponential moving average line. So guys, if you see this happen, like I explained right now, you see all this happen and you see an engulfing candlestick, which is this candlestick right there. So guys, let me zoom in a little bit. So you can see that this is a bearish candlestick and this candlestick engulfs it. At least this is not a very sweet, sexy engulfing candlestick, but trading like this is a lot better than trading like this, like the previous way I explained. So at least it will filter a lot of bad trades and give you, at least you still want this trade, guys. Even if you didn't see an engulfing candlestick, it's absolutely okay with letting that trade pass by. Let it slide. So guys, let me just slide through just one extra strategy. Like, let's see if this is gonna work. So we saw this highs, you know, a break right here, then a retest. Okay, let me draw the line out so you guys can see what I'm actually looking at. So this is an area I'm going to be looking at. So you can see the break and the retest. All right, this was a break and retest, but putting out your Fibonacci line. Okay, let's just assume, okay, we didn't see the break and retest. So you draw your Fibonacci line, bam. Wow, who would have noticed? All right, you can see, look at where the 50 and the 61.8 area is, just right above. Let's look at it. Look at where the 61.8 zone is. Look at my mouse, look at it. So it's basically just a break and retest, if you ask me. But if you know how to trade a break and retest, you can see this is an engulfing candlestick, guys. Look at this engulfing candlestick above the 200 exponential moving average line. You can see an engulfing candlestick. So let's just take this trade for a buy one more time. So your stops just below this trend line, just below right here. So you can see, guys, look at this. Wow, who would have noticed, man? Who would have noticed? Wow, that was a win. Wow. So guys, as you can see, this was a win as well. So guys, trading with an extra confluence like an engulfing candlestick, Fibonacci, then, and you can see I added some confluences. This would help you increase your winning percentage and help you filter bad trades. All right, so I will assume Mamba FX just wanted to show you guys a basic way of using the Fibonacci tool, which is what I think, because Mamba FX, looking at his P&Ls and his wins and his Ferraris and his Rolls Royce and his house and everything, I would know that he knows how to do this kind of things. I will assume that he knows how to trade like this, because all those Ferraris and Lamborghinis and everything is a sign and it's proof to me that he knows how to trade. So I'm assuming he's just giving you guys a basic understanding on how to use the Fibonacci. All right, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe, share, and, you know, show some love, support this channel. I want to see this channel hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, guys. We have like a month, and this is November. So guys, this is November 6th, so we still have a long way to go for this year ends. So I want to see this channel at 1,000 subscribers. Right now, guys, we are at 6 subscribers. Thank you so much to all 6 of you who have been subscribing to this channel, guys. You guys are the best. You guys are absolutely amazing. Read my lips, you guys are absolutely amazing. So guys, if you want to trade with me every single day, then guys, click the link. The first link in the description is my Telegram group. You can join me, trade with me. Let's grow this XO gang. Let's be a family. All right, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed.